AI tools that saves you 10 hours weekly as an athlete. You are wasting time doing manually what AI can do in minutes. Let me prove it to you. I'm Coach Ade here, showing how AI saves you time so you earn smarter. The first tool I want to discuss with you is ChatGPT. This tool will assist you with content ideas, video scripts, replies to comments, just to mention a few. Generally, you use prompt to communicate with AI tools. Then what is prompt? Prompt is the instruction, message, or description that you give to an AI tool like ChatGPT, for instance, to enable that tool produce something that is specific. In other words, a prompt is just what you tell the AI tool to do. E.g., write a 1-minute YouTube script, video script about affiliate market motivation. That's an example of a prompt given to ChatGPT, and it will respond to you by giving you exact video script with a title, Affiliate Marketing Motivator, and it will be exactly 1 minute. So prompt can be text prompt, image prompt, or video prompt. The second group of tool, Canva, for instance. This tool will assist you automate design, resizing of design, social post creation. Once you are familiar with the interface, there are so many different tools inside Canva to assist you design and edit your choice design. For example, a YouTube flyer, banner, etc. Like I've explained in one of my previous videos, just open your Canva, pick a background of your choice, and edit that background with your own picture, image, shape, or text to produce a brand new design, or for example, a brand new banner or thumbnail for YouTube upload. The third group of tools that I want to discuss with you is Notion or Zapier. This tool will assist you to plan, schedule, and connect tasks automatically. They will help you to plan, schedule, and connect tasks automatically. My own top secrets. What if I tell you from my personal experience that just only 1 or 2 of these AI tools is sufficient for you as an affiliate marketer? That is right from the beginning of building your system to the end, that is research, content creation, automation. I have been using only ChatGPT to date, and I have my system built and operated seamlessly without any problem. So it's your choice. It depends on you. You can choose only 1, you can choose 2, but don't waste your time using very many of them, because those only 1 or 2 are sufficient for you as an affiliate marketing to do all what you want to do in terms of building your system. So if you are interested in saving valuable time weekly while building your system, then you can subscribe to my channel. Click the link below for my personal step-to-step guide towards building your system without wasting time. See you in the next video.